Ghana Premier League, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Metema, or Accra House of Folk, and now Edisi Akai, and as Esi Akai Kumasi, Baba Sports Stadium High, Jina Abusia, Sabi Amdoka said the attendance game will not Abbey. Sadly, unfortunately, Accra House of Folk, I should 1-0. That is the news, breaking news out to the other swing at home. Okay. Okay. Accra House of Folk, Ashe Kumasi Asante Kotoko by 1-0. And okay, what I can say. Okay, yes, since I was somewhere, Abetoja, Kumasi Teddy, yes, from now, yes, Abetina, Emma Sai, but for the year, we are supported to be 10 check. What does it be by? As I would say, a before. I say, don't be. I don't know.
Now, one person okay. Oh, be a mimi free. Tetman and buy. Tetman told me free buy.
Who is Tetman?
Yes. Who is? Who don't? Now you buy number of troca. Someone can say yes, I'm a ball or have you. And I'm a better fear. So young man has a better television. I have television. So young television so you cry a phone, you have TikTok, a movement, and a boy.
Also, like I said, players know maybe I will bomb from the one.
Calm it down. And the second one, you coach. All I ever be here and say they were coach. David, what was saying of players and I say, won't calm it down. Put a boy, we never try. David, and the players when you coach. I see you coach. Don't say you coach. I'm a cry about so too much. For a players in the beginning, some of them come about 10 of what's
coach is also so answer them one.
Maybe he be any partner, I can say, coach me, you do a partner. Nisan and so okay. You remember being for no cry man for much. I said the one I wouldn't. I said there was like a man time, man for much and Sunday Pamona and I are Pamona. MYA. Wow. And the 20 no went to me coach on a senior team. What kind of 20 coach? 20 minutes, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Senior team. Many are funny there was some of a coach. I'm also a coach and this apart they still remember you. Wow. From the Chima and I'll be doing also courses here. I'm the colonel. Wow. 7 about me. I went to me who said me to not come out as a man. What you come Ukraine as a town no ko. When you can go for aeroplane na ka wa ko drum tem. But to buy anything. But to go do any asanteman any o 2 for who don't see. Enu ntina ya den. Wow. I see how we end in your way.
Yet why don't we give credit to Accra House Folk because almost tactics and the strategy now we came out.
What did you there? You say we senior
from the league to us.
Yes, we senior coach. And an insano give me a show e part on us. Bibiara e show your players no so mo coach and I say mo technical team bia mo eden e tenete no mo bibiara enchire. When your red card early in the first half. No one your red card. Coach is so good. I was so for a place no mun calm down mun kura ball no mun possess more. On meba e be too much it match yeka but place no obi e body e ope we nya no aboni bom we bom keeper no so we good e air ball mo so nya na mabɔ no so ama keeper na chi we ya there
okay let's have that's okay me before the game me who share who can say kotoko be set 2 me bo
there be me catch us has be se ba ko.
Oh, okay, what right has?
Yeah, me catch us say so ba ko pe yen so mu bi.
Okay, and abem mama again na we here so ko work ma mo anti na ma share Asante Kotoko.
Oh, yeah, they be an e ba ha say o mo say. But this time around the e band e dey e dey. Any press upon e dey buy. Think any dey can so mo dey can share crack BBC.
Wow, I don't say share let's say House of Folk player Henry
I don't see about you. Yeah, good time, right?
Last week, Abusia, goalkeeper.
Yo.
Last week, goalkeeper or Diana Stars. SLV penalty mark to go film no. Oye Brahmani boy. And then so players on my boss folk no. I say most of them are Kumasi boys. I say yeah, you players.
Oba no cross you am say o. Oba say o. Ona bench way o. Na ya chance to go ya follow.
Twice.
Oye bibia baba.
Last week, you see, I did the other one. Maybe I'm you know, it's very serious. I'm coming to Saudi and I'll carry.
First of all, the Asadabema has a 14 they deserve the rain. They deserve the rain. And many football now, a house of folk, Nekotoko, Aseliama Ghana football. And that's the beauty of Ghana football. Football, normal means whether lose, win, or draw. And anytime your management ever call it on supporters must deliver so any people and a crowd they will be that and I'm very happy say me here to Koni na Maba Stadium. But to me I feel pain say you lose it here, but I'm happy they were the two teams in Ghana football. I'm very grateful.
Someone said just say team and a place in your movement and I'll carry it.
And so football here. Yeah, sorry, I share European football. No, maybe I'm a Barcelona fan. Sometimes, over Kobe, now Atletico Madrid, but still, that does not change the fact say, Menya Barcelona. It's me, as Santiago Kotoko, die-hard supporter, football. Yeah, but game no. Yeah, fan to 7 kwana was ampa. Yeah, Kotoko management, players no. Home say players 90 and deliver to expectation. But I said that any credit in the man has a folk team no. Because they deserve the win. What they did because I'll give red card for the first time. What did red card twice time. But I still what to me also at the arena Omuna was here the credit. Near Jai BBI, yeah, about management. Because I can management. Players now sometimes I say I'm to do and no way as Santiago to players and they are pumping too much and I'm over some way to talk for. I know I'm going to say
from coach and to keeper. Your friend is one powerful bracket too, but I just so calm.
Okay.
But I want to know, Mama, free, Minua Musca.
I'm not training.
Let me Mama, free, Minua Musco. What I say? But then, Mama, 50 cities. What's your Yamra Yaba? Camara boy, no, some get
Boss, me pacho, madam. What madam ne no ahano. As a football fan, you don't have to say those things.
No.
So you don't have to say it in the camera. No, but no, as a football, no, sometimes you have to accept the reality for MIS. What you said? So your football fan there, who your football fan there? Also accept to those things.
Okay, for a match, we only favor them 50 cities. We have for quality players. Na players here. We do players. We some exceptional players. I make us some child. I know you will. And there's some new players. Players and they say about one matter. To promote the help, can keep on running your team. I'm not going to so sad. Watching so much on the day. So two from Nancy for 1 50 cities. Never know. Some you or the cashier something in some. I got them. What? Never could talk about the only sign on the boy. You bet your more about the two players. Pump boy, I said, Pump. Pump. Out of Bambo. Coach, you press in the press in your and the coach, press in the press in your good. Coach, you know, and the coach. The coach, if you say, oh, my coach, Papa, I don't think I'm a Yasma. You don't care about that. We need one up here. The coach, it's over there. Oh, young coach, Papa. No more, I am a Fatimo. It's in now, so one year, Mamma Kotoko. No more Kiakuma, or more Tiakuma. Oh, Kotoko. Some that never triumph and Abedu Sabre, Baba time, but they will be on the fire to o'clock. And I'm back. Baba Trama, I was saying, Sabre, I was saying. They were just about 50 cities. Monsa, I'm my very young, but yet I'm in a film. Baba Jessica Sabat, Sabre, Ama, Kotoko, Edimuti. Mom, why? You nearly to be a film. Then you can answer my shop on Ama and any idea. How about the Sandian Dakovsky? They don't in film. I just saw 2 for 1 non Peco Papa Maya. And your players now. Mas ma make an. Obi so say go place no. E bo no pia na bia fa na fa na. E pia no dey MY. Wa keep papa, what to fan for. I will say keeper. What to war. And one match na go jina na ball we won ball pass ball. Na ma ball be say. Any say. Ofa boko dey. Boko. Ya na ma she dey na so. Muso me kade. Muso me kade. Me ba hanu. Me fa kana me ba. Wo fam Fante, ase. Baba asem na eka. Ba meeting me Ebusando house. Ba Ebusando house. I want to. You qualify. Aba Kahat. Ba me second me Accra Heart of Folk. It's me ba na pa. Me wo pan ni ba ko. What me ntia o mo ndoma. So me get and dey ba se kotoko 1. No so muntumi. Na mutu ma ba fra me. Ma fra na ohun me. Into hwa me ba ka Facebook a. Wo bo hu me. Me ye kotoko panyin no. Aha na wo mu twa Facebook. Back in the mechi. I mean, no get me say kotoko 1. Ma fra na onfa. Into muso me be ni. Yeah, me di kokoje. Me fra bosoka. So obi ahwe. Me catch omu abosoka enu ase. Se man ba Kumasi Sports Stadium. Yeah, for me share. Me say me ba bia omu to me share and pass my ba. Oh nyame ni mapa. Enti ya show mu wa. Enti ye di go 1 goal ye di ko Accra. Enti obi otimi ka bia ochira me ba bosoka. Obi ninje oh Yesu di mu. Amen. Nyame fa mu ko dwaso di mu. Well, I'm saying me ha. Sabre Safri na kotoko Timbas no eba abefiri ase akona. Yes, na yen twa atmosphere na kakra. At the end of the day, Accra has to folk as a Kumasi Asante Kotoko by a lone goal to 0. Eti Ahmed Ibrahim Baba. Ahmed Ibrahim Baba. Omo wa you know.
most of us, yes, make can be because supporters know. The steps, and then you will DDA pass your bedding, but unfortunately, yeah. When you say why you both are
you know, so they are the honest here. Kotoko yan, omo me yan ni ne kra, ne de yan ni.
What you now do this?
But from Mr. Charles, no America. That's what you come work for show. This one number. No more Bashaya, your friend say football, yes, I let you. That was
yes, that's it. See, what for you?
Your friend Louis.
Louis, free friend, I'm shaking.
Oh, quite a so say.
Okay, Louis, you have been you.
Senior, and your man, your boys are not at Timude, Ayo Mode too much. Because what are they free? Untia Daika, unto light, who did me a new? Usman to Swaza to 120 million. Who bought home for myself? Now, what the supporters now, your corporate only may be a near cigar. Yeah, dear cigar support tomorrow. No more be a master because they say no. Team night, you won't know. I said, you why is this here? Supporters are limited. What I said, and the camera may have and company for players now moving in Anna, or my man is there, or Mumu board. I have part of moving. So I know what to me. What war? Elko, never find a near prayer or present for Edana Fasto. Our board who be served, I'll bet you have a born here. I'm a supporter of Sensianity. I have support 2 Oma, the East Cabias are young. Because I said, Utimo, sir, who is Cabiano in that own name.
But what you say? Let's be a Sadana, so that's the Okani. What do you say? We better not say me bomb, Donna.
May I sure because Cabals now Modano, that's 1 Rainy Casa, and this is Uncle Fruit of Medina Park as well. Who expect to say, obey the young and it's a player on the was and what I say. And the apples already, Nina players and flew be and by the phone of Montas, no more psycho, no psycho, we are not the own team, only adman to no uncle. Because we have Morocco, you will play the blue. You've been to my uncle. By us, some more struggles on Medina Baby. You perform from private near you, we are not bossing you, or more Medina Park.
Right. See, the man has said, now you share the game has come to an end. Sadly, because maybe a sad day for me. Across the board, Asante Kotoko by 1 goal to 0. Across the board, Asante Kotoko, Metema, the Kings Club. Okay, Iran, Nafe, Yakabian, so Yafa, and so more. At the end of the day, okay, let's see.
Abida solo wale Oziana solo wale solo Abida solo Abida solo Oziana solo wale Abida solo
We solo no answer there.
Abina solo wale Oziana solo wale Sololo Afila sololo Sololo Afila sololo Sololo Oziana
Solo no chase solo no en kankasa what I say Afri we dey sronko what I say Afri we dey e sronko taju na sit dey na sa ma sa ko dey sa e pese che ko to for say ade bia e ya football mu bia no as ya dey dey kotoko say no me fa unko 20 years back 26 years back yes kotoko for now up to now and that's what kotoko for 2004 legacy. Yeah, but come on. Every fuck can't be concern. Still, I don't see anti-Kotoko. Get it 10 9 against 11. As a Kotoko da. It's only 10 against 11. As a Kotoko. And then 10 against 11. And as a Kotoko. It is a Mikasa house. Get your idea Kotoko Ghana or something I say.
And I said, "Moi, I down more plan be and
good football. Yobeka Sabia, Yobeka Sabia, oh, Babo, that's it. We are one man down. The show play about red card. Only D. Also deprived practice. What do we need football? It's already a year, and you see anymore. See anymore. I don't want to say anymore. I'm somewhere 12 minutes, 9 minutes. Me lead one, but the red card. Me never
I said to anthem, no. I want to my Mate.
Catch the young boy. Has a hatred mark in the body.
Right, it's here also. Phobia, everybody at the plan.
Ah, no me this time here.
Also, can you
The family. Alek Elias keep baba.
Okay.
Keep baba.
For our shege.
Kenya say.
African. It's your also.
Me ka fa say me nya nya jepa. Sani ase omo no. Sani ase omo no ka de nyam nya say target 11 ase omo. Ha target 7 na me jepa. Ah, me nya Abdul Karim no. Me nya no. Abdul Karim. Aspo. Wow. Not this time,
I get that. That's goes right. It's here. Okay, Babu, I say, Babu, I let you found.
I'm fine. But when it's football, either win, lose or draw, better luck next time to our boys. We have to come down.
You're wrong. I shared the effort I say, you know, at the end of 90 minutes, it is Accra House of Folk that has gotten. Yeah, blah. Even here, last week, when I called you, I'm by. When I'm going to Fiasati Central, and that's what's up. I'm not telling you. That's the way I want.
Senior, what a colubo who you are such a home of never be an Amugu and Mass. You're real. You open the players, mobile to supporters, mobile patch. And the players, we are critical of best Omugu supporters. What do you? The best thing because I am all season in here, grab a supporters. Bibi and Famu, moving, Lucy, I'm not a trabas.
ọmọ àwọn fọwọ́ àṣọ ọmọ kan ẹnti ẹni fẹ yá kọtọkọ tí mi àkàkùmà so wọn ètùbí ní bá sọ ọmọ ẹsẹ ọmọ bá sọ ọmọ bá yẹ ọmọ àti bẹtẹmẹ àhó ẹtù yẹ mẹka ọmọ náà ṣe ó fi ẹnu múnú di obi ẹtù ọmọ kan dọlẹ fún díẹ̀ sáwó wọ́n ti mi ẹsẹ àyà allegation ẹsẹ allegation sí ẹsẹ allegation obi ẹtù dọlẹ fún díẹ̀ sáwó ẹsẹ thomas pàtó gbọmọ ìtọ́jú ẹtẹ gàrà yẹ wọ́n tẹ ẹtẹ gàrà àmọ ẹ bọ̀ fún ṣe ẹ jọ báyìí àwọn ti yẹ ọsẹ yẹ ní abúlé kọ yẹ ti ẹsẹ yẹ ní abúlé kọ so football dey be at the Roma e dey the Roma o fe di work affect but kwa no bobo o cross ball like ba chi no still ala go the ball for them game watch me e do say answer the best na o ma bo o wa ti no the ball to the play in free o wa ke always 11 aka yenu aka e fit challenge o beti me see 3 ade ye players o ma me yewra o ana nim ko am fa su kura me duru ko lo o pa wa obia congrats my idea
oh yeah there pa e bra me K-Sport
and I say kotoko dia
na show me e be sa show me bi e be sa kotoko bi e be sa show me ya no ati enko
eti ana ado what did you na o ka dia che asofo eti any player
e ka che asofo players ni na say this is the league one enough no do so Syria man e we need na cha na lose na say consistent there one enough no do this year they blow Syria league ya di bi acho I said, "I'm a consistent. No, we're just legging up. Senior man, I don't know where and we need. What's the next match? I'm a senior man. Yes, I'm just legging my. Yes, now so football. I'm just legging my. Oh, senior.
I'm Busa for Tompen for the same. Bono. Into a multi bench or pant to a mudi or many shabby and I say, Bono pant to send on the game. No, say I don't shabby as I attack. Not that is our bow, yeah, boy. Obo fa wiem na ki party no obo fa wiem na ki party no enti wo ye coach ati bench no nyansa no team senti bon no omo try some boba ku bia fa get check pan bre ansa no ye play enti ntimi mobo ni fa yi ebi adai ya mu me ba ni abeti atem sa eno na mu fa na say dey
ebi so no value tactics no ba
na value one year share ni ahu valuation of tactics bia o ya hu valuation of tactics bia
kotokofo before omunti asewe supporters ne say e can say coach na ya de na omo saki coach na sisie no ya use players na ya de free say first half 29 minutes no more the red card na say we to be asari a ya use ye coach players na asa na pay for so so bi mo resign say the omo force coach na coach resign no sa so so pay for no e bi mo nya de na so resign titiri no so IMC for the month so ya ni management IMC no mo the month so ya ni ya sana na ya sa de sa ya na na prinkra omo nkeka omo na we de nya adua na bolu so adua na ba lusu ada masa make nya say yes sir e must be power team manager boys ni mu okay osia you man check out think say 60% ba any professional fool because you say what dey way back that man na opoko free o say one player be kasa o je ni o tell say obetimi aho enti wono papa na kasa but e mo fun ko de no men kasa yam pamo ati yam papa yina ni mo na ni mo nyama one place ni kasa o obetimi stress say obetimi stress say o mi papa na me kasa ah e dey obetimi say abro obetimi kasa one emotion for e be fun papa there's nowhere he dare not so bad and na make am say e ba sa say the papa jani no na kasa obetimi kasa obo papa enti na make am because do e be pan di be kan na na ni mo nyam nti whether me fa e 14 years say what is after dem ba team manager na e must kamara bet ma ko just be team manager kasa emo se ni se so ye so pass no so ye enti no on pe pe ni bi no mo wa
because I need here. Everything say liar mo yen. Who ye bi? Asam ka na make. Liar mo yen who ye bi? Nti be dey wetin me form na yi. Wetin me. Oh, nti ye be ba ni say. O ka me make bi a kire. But say o papa ni wudi nkoma.
I'm sure not as this year. I check I say. After that call team bass no ever. That way. You must say Asante call team bass no. And that part the basketball no. And I buy it. And yes, pajama back now. Okay. Yeah. Now team bass no. Is that team bass no? Yeah. There's no. So what is in your room no? And yes, and now we see team bass. And I read. So what is next job? I say modern mono from today on the come nothing more so yes young ram there supporters young feel say and they say tears supporters no how and they have been training after the protocol and last two matches I abo ahina ayare ho Aduana Stars for the very first time obey to perform with Marcia Sasso Doma Aduana Stars and the house folks you say they check it how for ya yes well so na yera but house folk for that so house folk for bass no enya enfira sabia no ka say phobia and money ajipa
yes sure mo protocol for ma kasa che na no mu nim se kasa ayem frama kasa ayem frama o here nti wo kasa na undi kunim ene ye de ball de to from no omo ahu say yes we are the masters of the game ya ba be ye bi pay ene so ya samba ye bi na say ma che impress ya and now you are here. You are Belgian League. That film media ma fonse.
How Belgian League no?
Master, be on one.
That's a go form.
Now you man.
Oh, for who go see akito ya.
Belgian League no film media ma fonse.
Wow. Belgian League. Okay. Yeah, let's what's the answer for Belgian League no? I just film it. Phobia. Right, you kasa. Okay. Right. Yeah, trust. Also Belgian League no.
Belgian League no. Ova kwemesi na Belgian League.
So much
Washokotokonti. Belgian League. Ade ni we viana. Na de ubeji.
That ubejana. Let's have 4 points to the Super League. That's what I'm saying. Let's have 4 points.
Mediama.
Mo Fred Omomra. Mo Fred Omoba, you say, the mama would on any was. Yeah, so for the Jesus Stadium, Nipodoma.
Accra has a faith. So, and I will team us now if we are across the earth. Accra has a faith. If we are after say one more HFA Asante Kotoko so I say Kabako so has a faith for now. abẹ́ bọ̀ yà dé. What's the market now? Yes. It is that way. Accra as a folk for playing body, technical team, and I'll be now a free. Baba Yara Sports Stadium. After say, I'm be careful. Robia Kumase Asante Kotakoso. So now we're calling him to the baby. Now you're in the Ekosway. Asani Asaba. Jamai. Now you're the rundown. And you're doing I saw at the Amasai. Yes. Accra as a folk supporters now. And then we are over there. The stadium is yes. The stadium belongs to Accra as a folk. It's a man. Till over the edge. What's all about that? The plan for and I'm about to say, I did. Because I'm not cheer for you, so I will have another day in the Ghana Premier League. It's very the ocean celebrating Accra has a folk. Accra has a folk. Obviously, has a folk supporters there. Celebrate and this year and the Osebo. Yes. It's a celebrate. I can see Accra has a folk. The small to say, over has sleep and yes, to Accra. So at the end of the day, the Kings Club, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, has lost the Ghana Premier League encounter with their rivals by a long goal to nil. Yes, Accra has a football, and as I pray, almost 18 past now, if we steady and so on 1 year, almost supporters will be a body almost so very nice scenes, a very emotional and touching scenes. I said, as folks here to like say here, our Ghana Premier League. The last time I had said so many people Bishop Agua, Basa, Bishop Agua, Basa, which we share, Basa. He said, the piano show. So home no is back. The home is back. He said that Jesus. What's the chance of the piano show? Let's see how somebody's name. Glorious Accra has a fool. And I'm going to say, yes, so it has to work for as a folk for and Germany. So the crucial course we are some of us and okay. From here, Masters, Continental Club Masters. The best of You best so be. Okay. ABC ya che. You best so be. ABC ya che.
ABC ya che. Yes sir. Yes sir.
That's a more young.
Hey. Take us 11. Let's look at this here. Take us hey. Yenye bwana penalty. Wani wani ba chire bi last minute. Kono penalty. We are careful. Man gets like God has some nothing.
Yes, it is. There's a lively atmosphere from sports stadium. So yes, I can't afford to. And the idea of what do we know? Maybe I do Kumasi, but I ask for stadium, men and transfer, make up the Colos Paco, the rough like brother. Sapana, the entrance of the Sipano. I want a royal man, and I have hope for. I am. What you care about? So yes, Kumasi has for a bar, Santiago has for a bar. That's it. I just look at Sabri, Omo Ekia, Omo Diagen, Omo Kiao, Arosa, yeah, but of course, the Bay, ever see the Bay from the Bay Pan, the Busia, Probia Kumasi Santiago, Metema, Yanso, Yabeji, and we say, essentially, a two beer, no, beer, the title next year. Nobody's supporting. Yes, okay. It's very worried, sir. I've been rough, and I'm going to say, you're born now. I can't continue. Where I said, I'm of them, it's now. Warriors across the Timbers. Yes, Zabia Meka say, I'm the Timbers, and I also ever, and yeah, as a put up. Okay, and today's Timbers of a class of hope. And listen as I ever, and then look at the excitement, look at the joy, the euphoria on the faces of the faithfuls of a class of hope. It tells us just one thing, it shows how important this win is for the Rainbow family. Yes, because it has been said for the past best for this season's day has NC Kotoko or Ghana. Yes, was it charity? Okay, yes, because this win means a lot to Glorious Accra as a whole. Because for a very long time, I want to be entry and for Santi Kotoko. So for a very long time, I want to Yameho that you get a clear B and so however so as for Omona and I will be at the B. It's this victory that this victory means a lot for them. Valentine. I'll ask for someone. Valentine's gift to home. Okay. I'm a boy. Who new coach? Who's only has a ball? So then I can coach is that. Bibi and a chair coach be a Juma. Yes, so Ghana and Africa, I will keep us all air good. That's how sorry. Keep it back. What's that on the ball? And the Africans was at the table. Keep away. Keep the player. Keep on track. Best keeper. How after that? I find keep it genuine. Keep it genuine. If you guys are second keeper, I don't see. It's your best keeper. It's what the house man do. The house going to ask for. I know. What will you tell against them? Tell against them. I shall. Only more people. Hey, Valentine's gift. Okay, say I have Valentine's gift. Kumasi Probia Asante Kotoko. The Kings Club met by a goal to nil. Yes, and it has one yard. Okay, that's it. What to for the Kasari and I'm watching this one. Yes, that is for the Kasari and I'm watching this one. Yes, has to vote for a vibrant. They deserve it because for so many years, I'm saying that for so many years in the Ghana Premier League, almost There is a live atmosphere from Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. As Mascot supporters are super excited, as Gold supporters are cheerful.
Against them, you had the song. Yeah, the 5 players competition. Wemo. Yeah, the amount of Pamo. I'm going to Fortina. Actually, response.
That's a question you can come.
I'm not a Pamu. I'm not on Nima. Yeah, dear. But has to be there. No, take a shot of 4. You're very homework here. You're showing us commission for. It's in there. You're going to me. What am I saying? But I'm already asking me. Make sure to go for show me a man. Wait. Wakasa. Wakasa. Eh, ya mo kasa. O ti asema alika. At least you see pa go so. And what deliver mom. But go place the problem no. Ba play na ya there. Assembly man, I did not touch light. They call this assembly. I'm living that touch light. My coach, it tells me no boy. Sometimes no boy. Oh, because what team nye. Last time we for plug my back game. Only has to play someone on the plug and about back. Because team the back. Now the plug and about. I be on my one lesson. Talking about the podium. Now the plug and about. And Jeff and Sonny. And I got to support now. Buko pass am to someone na shati mo bukan ni mase. Olori kwen go cry am flano. Bobena woni mboto osesi ba. Buko ba ya tawo. Butimi asramo. Ya na next time family. Let's also. Na oza dey say ara obu hwe TV. And obu say highlights no. Ti omo dia dia ya sepetwa. Today they ask for okay, tell me. Okay, ya pasani room. More there F. So now I be a referee here now. One should then show professional. So what you say? Now we share record the other my player here. So what me I want no straight record it. Now second one no. So nya we tell now warning top match. So what you say? And beside that one professional referee. So ultimate show professionalism. Hey, sign make at the end of the day no best team win. And one say e be say achi. League no mu say e be say achi. It's not say DJ na akoso. Oh, normal. When we name there say we are say normal. Right. And that was so okay. Right. I'm saying so that is it. At the end of the day, the end kai we go for the na obeche so obetu and we go real say because all back now you bonyo ni adia and at the end of the day say and I say so and this young problem yo I'm not young can say okay I'm not for so your money unfortunately said you know the person who am na say am yentimi answer Accra has folk. However, it is football in the modern day. You either win, lose or draw. It's the ever be accepted. Now we go back to the drawing board. Then we work things outside there. The best of form going forward. You see, but I'm not represent there. My oh yeah, boss ni be the boss sisi miamia okumasia. So be be na be fraba. But unfortunately, I was yeah, at the end of the day, the pump pimpa, rubber shake game me no. I'm fat make us and the pump rubber shake game me fat. At the end of the day, I'm a go. I'm a sesi am no kase there. Kumasi asa no go for yelusu. Na yen to aso, yen some of the football fanatics e wa say be here. The people here na house of folk ni ma papa. I mean
na ohim the frank kasa aya ese woni adi abro
enu pre ko ase ya che ma se ya che ti ko for mo nko mo akomanto mo yem nyehwe ne na nko ya mo ma nse o china so no be koyi nti nyame de o ma ba ko fo ni di o ma obi adi nti na ye ya ti o nti ma o mo nko mo akomanto mo yem ba o mo nko fi
o wi ni has for the block no kasa obi ase adani monya se we ebeto aso mo se
enu pre se do mo kan because o ma share 5 years nti mi gidi se yes you go 5 years. Wow. I starting there.
Ebe ko so 5 years da.
We akra no there. Akra no there onimche. Akra no there onimche. Akra no there onimche. Akra no there.
I don't know. Idea now share yeah magic. Well before say go give me. Akra no dey I appreciate 5 years. Omo call radio station dey check kasa. Oh ya be say Bumra omo jinja santiman for supporters na ma obi a obi fit smile. Obi fit same Nkranza. Eba say ko do it. Eba but yeah who say oh yeah dey na house yeah yeah substance am na ba win.
Yeah so don e kan no too. Because the friend is over to bobo a. Na the nice be so. Because the nice be so there. You say oh normally eba no ban. Because we ni na no ofa bo na dey. Ato. Tie di ni nim dey be nti na ne yakra no atum.
Wow. I don't know. We really supporters they say at Danny Mobile League, you know. Too big, I said too earlier.
League ni there. I say ya ba bon tintam dey but bibia bet Messi. Bibia nyame asem. Ti say nyame de maya ya be fa. Wan fa ma yeso so a e be de nyame asem. Ya say ko ko dey ya nyi league kwa ye pe.
And that's not ko ka house so ka.
And there because you no there. Okay. So there ni tia. And tie no there. No kra no mo kan. Yes.
But maybe I'm going to share pa.
Me am meeting. Next time. 5 years time we be share. Next year. Why?
Okay, what time last? Now we will have a share game.
Oh, me too. Pankono State.
Was any yeah. But I did this one now.
Me Kofi 930.
Oh, okay. Kofi 930 from Pankono Estate. Our house folk support Akasia pa. The phone game you join on him the Frank Kasa. Hey, Asamo. Come here, okay. Babu. Another amfa. Another amfa. Remember they make my catch players me say never give up. We say heart for no. Omutimi here. It's another nim bia ya. Oma be share. Omo de kasa. And then kwa no be share Kumasi na omo ye de sa no but Sakamara na dey o say o ye train here no keep a mistake no mistake o say football there obi at me mistake but enuka say ebu na bam say heart for no man ball league e dey yeso eren yeso be no mo yeso be no mo e ka show mo first leg work first leg on top say enti mo fa ne dey say ana amato untin season we ya show ana to a share enti finally dey finally dey fi say yeah now see a show yeah show won say there but ayu kotoko for number 12 Jason on a good player o say Ghana U20 and I say 223 otimi kobi na ono there o good angasa we dey make my catch players me say enu kwa so sa defeat we egu ma bam we say football there abia mensa win draw and lose and another lose about there and look at say oma bomugu we say ebiam no yesa be dey yesa be ba ye be show dey be show father Star Frank enya dey bia eye kokko ukuma pema be dey e be ba enti ene no mokun pema so be ba dey e be ba apemo sai apemo ba asate kotoko apemo no e be san ba yesa apoite ye moto ukuma pema ba enti ene no mokun apemo no so ye dey e ba enti heart for say why boko real e dey yam yase now say what you for me brains free for na be shake you am one say ba meti man so ntimi free man so ba am be here ball man so subi akwa so okay you ma check akran say me free subi na akwa so na be here ball ntisi ai etu o say come so and you know dem ntimi for Meda hotel you go call from akwa dance na o ko don't and me ba here for that hotel as I try take it be here ball no yada opem so say ball ni bibia Nyankopon adom bibia akoso kama ball ni bia mba ide nyame ase ba nyamuru kwadi ye press no wanya de o magura ni mo ase they against 11 at the bayara they against 11 and you fine kade o moye ho ne Sunday they against 11
ọmọ free house ọmọ free ankran to na aba harum abesa de and ọmọ say bibia 10 against 11 ebi kransi da and the only this ni me ni ba ye pensu de ọmọ anya de ọmọ gwe ni mo say ọmọ anya de kra ti say ewu ba bi be fampo and ya ba say ọmọ anya de ọmọ gwe
mo tiri kofi o
yeah
mo je jina asa obi a
actually ni expect some ba say o ye some for basket on ko e ya wo mo
bibia nche support
ọmọ nka hwe anche ọmọ gwe ni mo say ya ni mgu ase ọmọ gwe ni mo say to beti man ka asem bia njere ọmọ mo be say twem ko
o she the way players see na mo ko radio toss awodo e kan sam ye be share na de na ama aye on one step oba na say
enukwe ntima mitimi bae suma ya sima oka enukwe ntima mitimi bae abuku na sima oka ntima mitimi free subiya abae say ya mama hwe o mo dombe ye ya be twete kit 50 cd
50 cd na zan kutwa
ya be hwe o mo anya easy o so wo de do be di team be achi say abetwe ses kana be di o mo achi hwa ade be maye mo gwe ni mas o mo hwe o on target
o pia dia
ese I winning 3 points ni win here. Born na no 3 points ni any ni win any here. Say say omo kuma say ba say nwumre.
Omo for
Di hwe nsem de kuta me hwe.
dia di accombites
Amika o.
let's say o di akon
Me di akon omo anya fine. Omo gwe ni ma say.
wow
Anya fine.
onye na be my pon boy dey plan o se wa di accombites let's say na kotofa amani di akon
Di akon. Me hu say me ko nwumre. Me ko nwumre.
mansusu bi
So. Yeah. Na jam yawo. And then me. Yeah.
o ko be di be how many hours
Almost be already in front of 4 hours. Ababo kwa.
o don't na buy
Ba ni me da meet me nko. So tell me ko.
you never go so fit team buy no is team na o say after the okon no so 190 so offer count say I also feel plans and finally that's all better because asem na dey kotofa amana buy nti o ka so
Madam say ma ko yeah, madam.
I just want to come. I want to be secure. Just say that because someone just know. Yeah, you come and say uncle. If you don't free, I cheat. No me say what is what you say. Obi fi be kum. Obi fi suyane. Banza na tachi mai na no ma ba be figure. Ba hu mi secure. Na ina come and say ya.
Me dey metuma ka kire say o say football dey. Se mu lose wa. O say ya supporters e fra chena ba o. Wa lose no. Na ka mu na ma bo amo ano ma ba stance. Mo ba be dey. Abepa ya chew na asem na asem ayede akọ ba mo wie ya no betina tra ba atim se de hyen fa mo ya supporter ya ne apo yetimi ko fie yetimi ko fie me ba ma che be to fie o na me ba mu se me ko ye ya che be to fie me che be to fie ko to ko me ti de bi heart de ti e show ti ya be de ya se be de e se be show e se we mu ni se me o mo chen mo fie awa flem sa ma do me phone ma do me phone e se me ko kama asem sei and then to the ball na protocol boy and the dey na ma mu pre na ye
ya na ko pia
and the no ọmọdé ata na
pressing kobo
na and the ball no dey last keeper no egu o deserve so that Ghana Blasters home o deserve pa ball na kotoko enu anu obo no money o mbeto mutika but hard for no defense o keeper to na carry tin dey na ma keeper no ayre I show say o deserve so say Ghana Blasters o dey o da pon mai enu kwa say sa ball we dey bu kotoko abam fi say dey ukuma pima ba to you say bibinet ade ti o tun fo na yelo asantini yelo asantini o say di bibinet ade dey ti na ni ti we na dey kotoko no
we ba masima ba matimia yes nti o say asante kotoko ukuma pemu apem ba nti apem no e be sa babu so are o dey hwe ya pon game no but supporters say that so ha obi anti ko fie but supporters no they are still here they can go home they can home me team ko because me ra ho I never back. That me want them say. That me want them say. Okay. Oh, okay. Over. Alpha. Okay. Omo gbe ni ma say. Ekaza. Eti abusia ye za hifia no ta ho pa, me say ko fi. Ano ta ho pa. Ano say bo nya bo be hwe o be ya de ka owa. Ye na fa ye ba ba fa. Ko da en ko si da be abusia. Mo say santo ko. En ko si da be. Ejumia bia sa critical ni pam pem ma beta wachi a omo ba mo ntimi ya suku abesu ya men supporters na wa ni bi na ya ni bi kasa because to branch like can't be also no ba before banjezi I can't some back from ya yes that is what it is at the end of the day no yes we are house for the money age there's what tiaso omo bonus no but also obi jana obi ntimi nkwa obo na ayekotoko for yeah omo timi ko omo dan wako because I also na ba yan cause the supporters na wan be na yani okay we has ni on okay no blame some blame
Yes, yeah, catch up say we will lose to gain.
okay
We never lose to what? To lose. We lose to gain. That's why. What? So forget about that record. We are masters. Masters is always a masters. Yes. Yeah. Who told you that?
that's a head to
1911. A master is always a master.
okay Martin
Yes.
you can about how master Babu, yeah. Okay. That's the beauty of the game. Has the Kotoponi and also Tiase, young person of the supporters. I mean, the football-loving fans. After 90 minutes, any Omonkasa, 90 the Omoka. Me who say any Onombi will say, any big say, 90 the Omoka. At the end of the day, hopes and here was Metema, Yebedin Kulimo. Yes, Auntie. Yeah. What got here?
I'm not more.
I'm not in the same.
Remember that I was used.
And I almost wanted team.
Me has in the better book, Master, the Santa Maria, okay, the better to Koki. But me has in the same book, Master.
And more we need our card.
We need about keep on the Queen in the Ninja.
Mohammed Kamara.
Yeah,
I think it's our cast.
Master of Freaky Cobage, say, yeah, one nation. Master, what do you call one Jassy? What Jassy? Let's keep on the Ninja, who called the Ninja. But what we're going to do,
and your boss is you.
Now keep on to Freaky, Master of Freaky or 2 years, or 2 years, which I am. What do you call the coaching? Master. They be able to print to moon, as a for her cars. Now, press me what Mamma Campani. Press me what Mamma Campani.
One or two issues.
There's some chip and Mumka come with you. Say, every couple of film, what you say. You can show us our boy. Say, has about a second. They could go as I have. Me has in a car. I was at home. Remember, I could go for. I made a quite good winning. Okay, there's a quite man as such about saying you're fine. In your sentiment, that's an anacra.
Okay, Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ̀ka sàtì ní àbíyá ọba ọ̀sọ̀ ọkọ̀ díẹ̀.
Nyàmí Adumo sí.
Náà fẹ́ fẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀.
What's your friend Gerard?
Gerard yẹ tí ní òwò ẹ̀nẹ́ dídí ẹni kásá dédé bèbèrè a èpè ẹ̀sì yẹn náà fa ó fi ìfọ̀nà abẹ́hwẹ́.
Pàṣẹ mi fi ẹ̀yìn nẹ̀ mu.
Ọba sọ mi.
Dàbí Santa sí ẹ̀yìn
mu. Yẹn tí ọ̀dẹ́ náà ọkà dẹ́ náà.
Dèmi ní ṣe kan ẹja yẹ lùsù àwìyẹ by blame no ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa yẹ kípa no Kamara yẹn nyina yẹ kípa níbi as a keeper wàtò wọ́ ẹ̀wì ẹni kwan sẹ́ wọ́n stand sí. Eso koda ponim as a keeper why you say now them na sabon minim se na oya to ho se na oya fabao se na minim se no anya ne gen no fo na also aye rade nyameka na coach no kra de wajim sno mu o say abutre menene nyaadwen by as a coach one say players eye crossing na emfa still now so omunya crossing Benjamin Asari nsu imu eye keeper bia unya de fasoro obetino o de fasoro obetino we are me ba Kwame Yusuf your friend say pra Kwampoku Kwame Poku nye player o plekati e de ne bam ono otwa mu woni krum e na mo friend say o mehwe ball e na ma friend we nye player say mo de
at least why you be amakoto
e wom say why you be by ni mra twam ne aye say Lewandowski or Bobasa o say ni mra twam say why na di ni mra Fernand Torres ni mra twam nti mo mane nya dey entena say sabo we no enya ne match bi say enya ne match say bia wa se 5 fine o de na bam ya ti ase wa se 5 by ni pana di red o pekati o sa de yaba wa sa ko ba abetamo wins no abetamo anye player bon wins oh akwo e say de ni asema make e say kra numu kra asema fa moto kra ma ya ba ka chem se minja yo senior me na ka se minja yo me ma me support house me papa ye house ni me kwa na magi aginam se me support kotoko me ma me ni ma ye enye de and have no power over me by o me dia akoma bi agoro
yes
oh ba se me broken heart mo so am se me broken heart adai Yen kam sa de cham ge cha jam kwa ka.
Okay. But yeah, that's it. Senior Bray. Now, we have what that's why now. And don't mean kasa. Senior na bibi aboko.
Nyame adom openi.
Yeah, don't. Yes, passional din this.
Ya fra me Alhaji.
Okay, Alhaji. Ofri fa na obehwe game.
Refri Adumanu ne bai.
The fine area.
Adumanu junction akiriwa.
The junction. Oh, okay. Those are the price. Yeah, anti what's the team there?
Kotoko na.
Ne okwan be wa.
Kwa anti na migina no kwa me yanko eno me hu kwa me fa so akofie se me nante o se me fa ka o etira mo maka ha me hu kwa me fa so am me ko ye team ni da yakoma so ba me de ha me ne se empini for me nim am so mon ball no ye bom di keke wantimi ye no age position no se di and then week ye be hwe adua na match no ha supporters ni the same idea mo ye ne no and last week o mo ye supporters ni complain ni mo pam coach o no pam coach fine team dey pam coach ya ba betra park ni so has ye bobo na things about 26 na has get red card but who free ba bi na be rusted na who say has get red card who say has shego and o mu defend bo na ye bo no
bi an show say has o ma short one
ye bo mu show say has get red card bi bo na ye je bo na has bo na ko je akire ni aye cross na ama head na be nyama wabechi no ni aye ya boss the first half na ko awie ye nim say coach ni ko dressing room ni there oni ni players ko kasa ye bibi omo by the same approach na no mo de ba ye be boy cross no mo ginam strikers na mo gina ni mo so strikers so ntimi nko ebo hwe kwampogo heights oni has for defenders no o wase na obi a ba ntimi nko ebo so sina na wo hwe e ma de sa ne ma na dey e ko so ye to so biem has a red card I center defender ba kwapra dia na so ye upego and for defender from babiem o se wo dey attackers ni mo mo dey ana me fira si bia o ya attack kakra ba na wa dey wo move ball no na ball na dey o se da no so ba ni na coach mantimi aye coach ni gina ho no dey nsa gu nebo ana de ade dada na no mo ye na ekolodo ha na lord across so ekwasiedo na asiedo across so na keeper na che no yeti wotimi from say munyi mo mbaji ball na mo ni me fira se mo fa ye munyi o mo frim others with my great chance one chance penalty bet my ba has go bet my so me not do no ashego sad in a problem kotoko me ma adwene ho a menti ase ana no kwene place bo ha amun deserve so mo she kotoko gesi no
Sabo
bebre
ase wa mo for kapa players
bebre kwa mpoku sei on deserve so she kotoko gesi
wa bobo back team na
se wo kasi wa bobo no bi ya dia ene wa go fa yi ye papa mfum mo dogomoro mo se o mesa maboko tabu ja film se o mesa maboko what you say baba ya rai kwa ke go fo ma ba so ja say and they say ball ya okay bobo baba ya di kwa makai amuji has ji red card ye hia sa credit me friend baba ya we so we ye hwehwe mu chese o mprai o we problem man o woni mpinifo ma ye ni creative player bia woni money ball so nti dia problem pa na okotoko team no amome ye hunu na de bia place no ni mbo no ni a drop am be antwi say ye ni problem antwi wo team antwi hu say antwi ka first 18 kwa ye ni mre problem men na antwi ima no antwi creative player free kicks bia ye nya no ho no ogina ma wo ye onim sa place no mbo free kick ni bi wo ti ma bobo no kama ma ye problem be pa na okotoko na mo me hu na de bia mo take supporters akoma and then we can trans ha hey sa ekofi and then e gina hai kwa be na be so e kofi ye hu se be fa ka se na ntio se ne e be gina fa ka kura nyame nkwa ne so ye sere be no for no ye sere o mo kotoko no mo be oye ni ya ye wo bo di so ati nto mo ba mo hwe no mo top players papa man no mo ja players bi a mo ko sa o ma se nim kwa mo fa so top players no
for both defender bi se player bi one number 5 bi
ai amzata nye kotoko material Henry Asu wa ye ne de I was so ko no ye fa do nim bo no ba
you be say o sha because na ye kotoko defender bi oba for na nye bat later obey good but I'm say coach Ogunba no say onko masola jiman as a wine o say na say when experience na for team ba bet o na won dey buy sim na amonko
eno ne players wo coaches na before coaches na coach bi aba me I don't know I think says or no na selfish interest so on the place bi o ha oji omudi o player bi o ha o tumi say onyamre mana obetima ye bibi ba wonya form na we say coach bi aba wonya me player when peno no amane ko no akose another place aba hwe we atukotokoi we say perform be ja coaches na no ma ye mu recruitment o ye be pam players be 10 nya ko for be 20 aba ye nya ndem modern football ye nye ne sa we are position now when you're not first position in players no grab show so ana dey to so biem camera so on Simon team no dey na camera dada po so on Simon team no or try man season ya boy we man ko fast free agent ya wo keeper o dey ma camera dada po second keeper Aziz no nim go ni da mo man nda na mo drop camera no e ma pe kra if drop on page for drop on enti camera no e wan ya de bia se camera the mistake kitin na dunia ya kasa bebre ba ya kasa dada na
Alexander Isak ko be fini ka so ba Liverpool o ya so be kono o drop it no o mo su kra
o mo o ta se di de players ni bi de o mo ka so mo kwa yentimi drop o mo so ja se hwa ye ma me o to nsuo nyina ha no hwa nsuo o ma so nsuo no yentimi to so ejina asa so
Alaji da se pa da se fa kudu oh apomboko ni se ma
mere nana ya do na fem Kumasi no to so stadium arrest o stadium
woni abe
eya me ya manu ofu asi wo so mitimi ni this obada da se me hwe de akwa ansa na mabedidi ye prayers ni kro mo nka ne kre ye ha ra mo wo mo da tire bi o mutumi o mo de she wo mo sha wo mo dwe o mo ba no betra se ye to awache ye fa ho first prayers no na we be dey so be jabon tra be di yes me I dey wo me from kom yes na me bra no ye koto doctor ye friend black coffee for boko so oti ni di be ya yes ye do so dey gu ya say hwe na se me ade bi prayer ba ko jem won da koma na okom na ho oti bi she go no eduru time bi a ya wo mto mbo ase hwe wachi hwe wanim na bo ni ye ese ni pe nyina anko nyina ekura mo obi asoboto mo wo da hwe adua na ekwa mo fa so am eje party no cause player obo party no oye style wo da hwe first adua na nipa na obo ye no oye style e na eche no ye oye style na eche no cause player also be bia also be style na eche no yes she ade na wu sa ade amoye no amua mo she o ma she na nye ye o bat ye she o mo kra enche no ma bete wo mo but can never Valentine Day we na ka no isi ye no kana ya aseda eti koto fo ni kure ni omumu wa ni emu me de ka menko a ke yeso mo lai ni emu obi a
yes koto place ni lai
yes yeso mo lai
yeso mo lai wa yenfa
oh yan tu gate ni nyina dabi yan tu omu nyina gate ni emi gate ba ko obi yes obi ba so tro ba ko aka me ko be bobi Kumasi ka be bobi shabla ya tem ko ye to nso ya bro sha me ka so one time koto ni azek aha to ko si wa ase omu jiri pa nyina ayi wa ase yes nyina na mto nsuo ona ka nya sia okay na me ka cho no na mto nsuo stadium wow me ne mani ade ne masro pa ne mani ade sa tam no so na police for ye to gate ye bia gate a wonu wana be wuram ena mra sesa ada say house be sheye na mu se ja ye mhihie sei she prayer wudra fifi na wucha ho na wucha ho ama no fani bre popo no
when you saw the ball let back people
yes dabi wutimi mo e she go no ti pass mo obi no betimi no mo bi won ko ni be se ohine be ye dabi she wachi shanchan she mo obi wo hine she ye bre pa ya nya sa ye ma besia ye ne beti kotokotim ni aboye bo ye ma na hwe be se ma besia ye timi mo bo ara adom ye be ma na hwe
mo ba chi ball na
ye ne be chi abo shensu asome shabra ye bre nye to na emido ye support team no ye so ye fufuo no ye pipi na so ye kotokwa ba bi ewu amaye adon say basa ti asram ye kotokwa first no e betime sa time ye pesa bi wa to mo yiro mo
first time net say
na bo na mo de memre dabi ma black ami nyina anche che e betime sa time no bra na bo ni mo de sasa siku akuna munya no mujirem na ede pa yes kotoko na ede pa ne muode na wo hwe na ene hwe coach we ba se yempe ni apan coach we musu mo moden no munya abonti de ne nkola die
onye se bia
dabi wo hene ugura mi interview no se wo ya de na muwa wa maka cho prayers pa bontre didie press sa pen kora ye se mu hwe de ye tiri ho hwe mre sa bi o but master nye we nya na wo se bukoso omumbro mo ase no mo bo ni ye na ye nya ho nto ye sra wo mo ni ye do wo mo ye pa ye ma o fa se enua mo nyina bobi ye bibi de nya fe bia die to mo nyina mo maye nya fa pa bonta wo machi na me na mo so me da mo ase
pati awe da se pa da city awa kasa ye pa o chese wono wa digwa wa hache wa ton ne ma wa hache ye pa ko de from but some time 1990s well it's time now ko ko ne asek me mosa e ma ko ko ba ko bo wo mu ni ade na no de chi let's all ko play sabre ho no e be sin ya asa na de no wo fa wo mu ko mo yesa
yes
Wow. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, boy, to kwesi. Ni abuye. Okay. Ni e mabesi ye table bubu. Ni e fire. Sa tam ha ni enya fante. Na kube resia. Ah nyina na kube ne nesia. E na nka so sia.
Okay.
Ana ye sa de me si azekre kotoko me na me ka cho. To kwesi na nya to kaketo a. Enso ye do kotoko nti. Enam se tawo mo chife. De de boa wo mo. Sunsun se adwa na mo san kofa. Try what to focus me cast match. Was ade nyina ko e bate ade ba ko aka me kotoko ye. What kind? Papa the kind. Eti ade to say ye papa. E so de ajeja ofa na ofa hwe so. Who said man enye ye. Eti asra mo pa kotoko. Me no ma. Ye say you nyina free. Nya fe ni powerful. Oyene so me das.
Ya semo. Go be up. Ya senior. Okay.
Chairman kotoko no ye nyina ye team. Ye di kotoko chi fitim kwalabrem ye di kotoko chi ye hu players Steven Odromo fiti Alessa Samuel Makwekwe Eric Bekwe mo kotoko players we say na menu kureni omo mwaye se
players kotoko se
omo mwaye ba kokora say has team no ya o madom ka 3 months eno ya no 2 months ma omo what say kotoko ade players kada what did you kwa what that them free has players no o man no challenge bill o challenge bill o like duma no o da sumu ba he ba o ma be bo no asa ade I say 1-0. Yeah, points. Last week, Mama Matrama Diana be human free. This weekend, so Matrama has a fruit for us.
This is a young Africa.
The traffic Ukraine been near Africa. Africa baby to me free. Leggings, so young can be said no you're off. Coach, where coach?
So you are caretaker coach.
Opam Zito, not so Pam we can.
Some shirt.
What be our boss said the better actually?
Also, you have calf license, as a FIFA license.
And no Korea.
That be one.
Wait,
Hamza.
Zito, you never become Chelsea. Become Chelsea for. No. 0-0. You didn't pack it. And one said Zito, the first 11 bedrooms. And one no. When you didn't touch this, what permanent, you had to. Yes, was we say what we and once I ban born say about and I sorry I'm sorry watching about the man of the match man. Kotoko players ya na Adiamanu. Come poku last minute chance we wanya. Obi antake pass and shoot. O dey piamon from keke. No be pianshim. E ball we our ball. Ball parking so by no be dey party ball. Dey no be dey ball Kotoko.
So yeah, as a team member, you are part of the team. You know, be from there.
Why not she? Kotoko team ni na me yi hu be jaw. Best player. Joe best player. Nami Shirano, Nami Shirano. Now, Mama Canada, yes, Romukosa na Kamara de, young Carrion Chirano, and Yamina say, only say, Bia, Kamara's mistake, or yeah, my good better sack him because I can't be there was no way has. And one now, apart from Sabono Mobile, has a chance to create and one last minute here or 7-1 or Kamara Chin. As some chance Benumina, Kamara now keep a Mikra go Dakra, boy man in Shemi. My men to war and send no one at now boy made me for someone said because you're free. Just say Kamara and the Vrilo come out man upon Mubium. Yes, I made my park and so and one there and one no. Omas is in Sunabi, honestly keeper Aziz there. Also man Debbie, you can also keep a Coton, your Chanica. Man and Debbie. Now Kamara say Anna I Coviton poor last season or the Bishop or Betchim. Same go. Your cohoy, same free kick, not your show. I didn't hold attention height now and then I already had it. What height in here? Okay. Now you're busy with me, saves. I want the answer of our cassette. Last minute, we save behind our note. German, save now, we save your ditum. But the mistakes does send saves away. What the point of gross as a shame for no. First, you know, pass beyond the child as player. Why you, boy, not go almost say. What Piabo mobile 18? Why do you need? Time cry and penny for no players in the quine. Pampo Kumina, Mopamomo, Mopamble, Mopamble, Mopam, Compoku. Obia saying, Opamble, Compoku or Toy or more man and Yano Park in Subin and one time Dasi. Lasminia, Rebecca say, Phobia, Master, Phobia.
Never said until the boys are fully God for the manager, what can I say?
Not free for our shaking.
If it's fantastic about the frame upon which I don't have frame, Kwame number test.
Okay, Kwame number test upon reaching. Yes,
yeah.
Which I didn't tell you, then I will catch you.
Madame, as a vote for fancy, Nancy. say na ya dey ko for na to ba bia say do moto ya mo happy Valentine Day and no na say ke dey mo na be see na say mo happy Valentine Day in advance enti ya dey fans na say do bia say the mega chief fans say league ni over mediama lead 5 points etulo 5 points omu kwa wi ato so 2 Yamba next week etimi win home match e dey am mediama drop points it say 5 points yeah and then 9 points I reduce up to 5 points enti ya next home match e bobe kum Chelsea almost no sama test or sama boy enti ya dey say be dey wan share there e share mo there e share there e dey drop points the rest say 12 matches na 11 matches na kan e bo home 6 and abo away 5 etimi ni away matches home matches na home dem say this season really they lose 2 pe enti enu say league ni there say e pese agent kwa dey has the Ghana obi eno betini apili obi eno 2021 to the fact na kotokole dey 7 points e di ball Dubai na e be twe mu 4 points the league 2021 they say we na me dey league 5 points no on ko sane o match Accra abo nti du okono dey 2 points and say Accra there e be shenage has beji league no e beji league no
na o kotokole smith na be come back bia
kotokole da be o mo de league na we before last club so mo kodobo e say we so ma we so make say 0 ade a me ntimi ndo meka last club so mo league a Jeff Cup e say double na be 0 aha nti omo ye no ma we nti onko amenya against nti am biem
okay
oh da me no ma we onka kotokole asem biem da me no na play say me dem na me tamfo kotokole okota kakura me bom pe am say onko se me dem oh ene no ano kotokole ma me bom pe mo da bye we kwa de kotokole ma me bom pe mo da Liverpool ni ha de no na ku last eno ha sa oh papa eno ha sa se eno so eno Liverpool cha sa sentim Valentine de no dem am no enti kotokole mi ni bibia biem next series okota kwa onko double points na has meda first masters
okay what anti or your house of folk ni ela na be ajila busia je yedim ko woni bia na the credit say even as now I mean game new year was about 7 and I game new year supporters the storm team kofi yes arewaba pa na yes we share busia emo ya supporters team kofi okay me aja ya kasa ka wada ma okay aja se team kasa kafra arewaba supporters na busia emo ya o share omo da me say dey be better how because supporters need team go we papa ya o ya do she fit ya just arewaba ama so the handkerchief na play ni ma because the players no I don't know but players now omo ebo kotoko no em say what say ye ti omo nyina atnase na ye the videos we be church omo na mo mu team na omo bo no enye team sabi basara bia na omo bo eye team a wa bakosem eye team a ekura records ti wo be bo na di agro say wo di agro I say e be team kasa kaka wada ma fabulous okay I wa bantino okay what the definitely say you dey sao can we catch Ghana my life ayo okay mati enti abusia very sad very sad enti e bo ase na yenyi adinchire ni bi ha ban fefro but we show omo mtetia na ye me okaka na we show omo mtetia okana se my basa because obi be giant bibia na kwesie we go ho akotoko don't boy wa nkwa sori o because obaso obeduru antem be brain na nkwa sori na obi wa ne kwan wa obi ne ye ofin kranza bai Bruno East sometimes I be feel crash do mo be pie so for team na for bia adwula be fa santima pa be fa o and be all family am ko manyina so wa be fa wa ba phobia bra ya be start game Michelle e ma ka sam be 1-0 oh am pass wa bem yes e dey na ho yenti ba ka
oh yeah no onim game no game na ye game ne ba nyina no determination ye di back room ano from Friday up to any Sunday above match no na bibia chese ye lose game we nti ye lose no ye hu se ball no 1-0 nti e dey first 50 minutes ye she goal no we are bibia nsibio nti mo president am catch am say ye she goal na ye she ya anum jahwe
we she goal na we
jahwe me catch am say ball bi go bia no be fi bia aba bi
dey ana mo hu dey ana watinti a na mo sa
fe ni ye o say me no ka say na nam taba ko shembotom
ai o ka shembo de change me ade mo ye bibia na
oh nye one day me say na shembotom no na nsem ko
na say da bi beto ase ya mo fa ba bia na
ya mfa ba bia ball na 1-0 ene boy ene ya she 1
now we
70 minutes over 70 minutes so 10 against 11 yeah almost my present red card up to 4 crank be show
wow
And
I'm a question and say, we are there who say,
yeah, to be exposed. Yeah, come be I say, she was one. And I want to so when him the ticket behind no who is pushing me can't say na go no war baby ah ye share go no it you would toss no and you done no sir ticket there na maka show no it be catch a press box say you would toss ah you be done game no the game na one go pen e wom
that's a bit me ko bi
aside it you done na am say afa you would toss and catch more press box no me do what dance am catch say go no 1-0 the share your ball me hwebium nti share we and I'm sorry man hwebium yeah that's the game it's game near born in the end there na bibia kire say e dey say hye e na ya hye nti kunimdi aba sese ano sese an de kude na eba no we no ye the sign of victory say you betumi dey ajele
what shall say kasapa or somebody
and say league no na ye match we boy ye decider it yet me ahye kwa de league no next week no e be dey me kwa we ye bo home Nina Yasada.
Wow.
Yeah. Phobia. We are the famous house of fools. We never see. Yem Pavarado. I know I saw no much of video muma park. Omu kofi no mtiti woro. Omu tumi nko. Still am for boy to omu go mu kofi. Omu tumi nko. Sanity. Wada obi kro wada kro hwan nkomu. Kotoko be kun kofu bi but omonti as say a game of football no bibia to see
but you go lose and high much
and onim Akman Sports Stadium ye more match bia ma park nye de say ne
any power power champion
yeah inte chese ye no has no your dom I know say has ye the dom na eba
there's a house
ye ya be mu o
what's that cry home ba muntimi
me say ye no ya be mu o ye na elega boy away records na no how to is the best it ye ba we ye zero away ye zero it ye ba we say dey one in here dey beto na ato it say ano this I focus na league no next week no e me dey ma kwa away ye be go home asere ya me dey ye be league inshallah
you wish me all the best yeah the obi nkase production no ma shede ya
and e be say kotoko dey dem
what you league no enya over
kotoko
just 8 points just
kotoko na on be to be league no e just dem mediama has Nina no ajegu na ajegu na e just say no money plan bi akotoko e just na tom nana kotoko plan that shego no unse kotoko plan that shego na kotoko plan sen shego e ha e na coach be na bench information me no boy interfere aka be 8 matches ze no okofa wan aba coach no no prince also and so ni Hamza
ya kwa bitia bitiki charge send here you pia say ya ye the international
old horse no the touch is who
let go say match that ke obe handle
obe no ka obe tra be akebesha no
and go say pay team
obe
that's the obi on this
Devio na place no mo boy ne no ebi free baby dey buy ara
o ma baby wetin na chon tax bia
that is be o mo chop ga get fa back 3 akebesha 8 back 3 akebesha 8 ba on bo back 3 akebesha 8 kotoko 18
as we walk asaba what's ya also am we need to know ya kwanya no wa sa I don't know I mean and omo we need to know as they dey kasari in Sembebre but they be boy you ever start game na busian he dey dey dance here all the microphone crowd ben has the bia o se won kasa because no musro na ya kotofo na ya kasa too much I'm not so can and game we kasa be koso we go play see o ma ko radio to ni ade yes the place o ko radio to na ye be say and ye be say and this kasa na dos dodo kasa na dos too much o ko to ko ye place ni side and na ko ban say o dey yen ko ni wrap up the show but yeah my review say be that's what da say o be ma come on man if only be that's why just say won timi nko fi o hey football dey be nipa o dey yen me ko to players no oh yeah, you be saying that I was these are some of the things that I was in players no. these are some of the just say arewa na ba ma o de twa kakra be o mutimi kofi o fabulous ye kasa kakra wada ma say arewa ba mse bi kwa ntimi kofi
team ni de akwan sana na penkran na kasa no ntie futuo e se team a o ye no akwa se wa mo bia chance place o moto no wura no dose wom ana coach wura no dose na place ne so kwa mo sanye serious team na kasa na o ma ya ma team ni nya gise o mu ye team ni ye ye mi di mani ehu no
who say kotoko players na mo watching
place na ka bebrenya
Dizia dia na wase omo ye dia na
yes omo ye ni so mu ja place ni bi kwan na mpelifo no so omo bua na omo ja bi kwan na coaches no so omo hu se de onya de bia omo ma ne ko e se supporters e ba ko omo mo ye ni nje bota tata na place ti de empesa omo ye
ase omo mo da wasa be ade omo chen ka bi e ba form akwa na
ball na mo do
areho na busia ase mo da bi o because mo say omo kwa wasa o wa dan ka sa o say omo na ekotoko fo
supporters no mu dia na ball na ka say place na sa
okay ana mo ase mo ma di busia ba e bi so bo kamara da chipa there na
o ye mistake sa ball no kwa ni kwa so pe flow to ball wiem say defender
say go
bebrebe e so da pom ball wonim say on sanka de empie to pie ba na nim na ma kwa ni tika ball no ne nsanye de e kan ya ekwu apo ono akasa so say mistake ni patenti say de so timi e ball no fa pole still ko ye
mate one kafra na for na be shege
to foruku
ase ne ya odi de se wada
ni George
oji ebe yi wa na asante kotoko de che se ye di o machi a ya se mo abuja until the young corrupt appeal the show na ya blow pa didi e ni ba na ya boka 50 Ghana cedis ti akoye ball abuja look ko me obi a be media person na me come guys ye be kotoko ball ye pa e betimi akọ press boss say ko hwe ball but ya na ye say team ni nya so mfaso obi a team no mfaso wetin nya free so an say e be TSK akọ kotoko ball na ya TSK akọ gbe ya me o me 1 billion say e betimi ni bi akasa ya se betimi ni bi akasa na sinia be me nya akasa ka e betimi akasa I some of the supporters be I say yeah brother se betimi nya supporters be ni bi akasa offer me offer say o kotoko supporter dey think well players no more money mere because 50 Ghana obi ba ko so fi nkranza obi fi Yanfo Sunyani road obi fi Techimai obi na twaka obi fi Sashi and me Techimai ni was one fa car na onante no ba na mo se bo no mo boss if there's nothing at stake mama me mama me en kasa kakra na aja ko de omo dia awo wadaro ma okay awo ye betima kasa kakra wadaro ma se o mama ya se mo ro ba be me awo dia sie ni o akomboko de
nyame ado
national din de say
ye frem alaba bema
araba
bema
ama pacho u fi fa na be hwe kotoko match
me pa cho match ni ma me hwe bi na me ti ase he ya na me has ni
ese no woni age
mani age papa
wow
mani di age na mom anapa ni mama no ko pe ma san ko ka se be hyekoto ene ya hyekoto me di because kotoko for ma di ani dodo enti ene ya di ho ya te ho efiri wo mo nsem ti eni je ani
o ye has ni
ya mapa
okay then so no kwani has ni o ye kotoko ni o
I'm here to find pa seriously.
ya mi o was boko there
Me am boko na so e.
Miss Moye na din de say what
If me just like the junior. Me come like the junior. Me no kasa you know. I am before answer me yesterday.
okay George dia ba ni o but team Kofi an asa wa che boy say pop
Me tell ya. Me feel ya. But my ho and I say me ya say you waste money e dey mass players we ye mo ka boy kwa ngoma here ni free kwa mwa kampe yes say Cheska 50 silo obi free ayo wa Techimai Boliga Sefi wasa asanko baby abehwe match we o Kofi wa Cheska ba o ko de sune Kofi danger person what dey hemosa na o kwa mpuku wonya ball last minute go we she go ni yankwa we wa about that o se kwa mpuku fi say o ninja brain case ni e ba ye no they say enuma e ha dwe ma na ba
e bi say yaso nko pa justice bi a che wa
very good trooper aso kwa America kwa na che say just blow America
is it o kwa sanya ma team wo Iraq
yes
o ko Iraq
on kwa na che ana pay so no kono players no omo ji agimo e de mo And then I pay. Ejimo say ona omojo money. Ansa omo game. And this omo free come no. Say is can ensign. Ndo omo kwoto so. Omo godi. Omo ko angasa. Omo na nkwa omo ko.
I'm supposed to be a just players as I before Pampa, I'm so too much. Because for 3 months, the entire Moka is now year and a half. So my bishop.
I watch it go. By me, the SME Kamala. Na keeper. Sabowi. Ebina Benima Sale. Esevuyen. Na wo the way no way boy was say woman no eshow. No was say nya bo bi o sa pass here no. And look at the second goal in my house. My house na iron. I and my go no essay. And the Mimeno, me case Kodoko last week. Mulusu, this week is in Mumbai Cherry. Masama has a besham. Next week, Muka will. Omuka away there. There's almost a Kulusua. Ma omunsik masabi. The Macan. That's it. I'm any phobia and we enough. If I should I said the more yaw. A more ya, ever papa could be no. That's to say. Anyone want to me or could feel so. I have a call here. I mean, and then, unfortunately, what is what you has me?
Me your friend me Albert Lutrot. Me a Greater Accra PRO. I the Accra chapters committee. Me fi Accra me ba Wednesday.
I didn't put a game next Sunday.
Match way at the Accra for Kiakuma so. Because Ocean League table now, as far as match week 21 is considered, that was last week, you know. Ocean League table now. Ocean points a woman no. Accra folk needs to do extra more work. So we need to come around on time to come and help the Ashanti Regional Chapters Committee. And I am sir. Me Ashanti Regional Chapters Committee. Oma Bojuma pa. Your national chairman, Chairman Yusuf, Nyamin Shrano. I mean, you see, coming to this game, you know, we didn't underestimate Ashanti Kotoko. We let me tell you the secret. Secret in Anise, we use Ashanti Kotoko weakness. And I do winning match.
What is Asante Kotoko weakness?
Weakness in Anise, there is disunity in your team. Team no back, munya back, and watch me no. Me no kasa no be share as far as this match is concerned now. Unti Accra folks say TBB can be now.
We are very silent.
We are very silent because we know what you were doing. Even within Yankasa Accra, Obiti Obi National Akashi and Sema, sorry. That is the message Edima you come for. Okay. Rally na yebe or chapter 9. Your supporters say winning this match is one thing. It's unity. Nyami ayadum your unity no. Nyami are rewarded here. Coming to this game, the boys were focused and determined because when Osha within 20 minutes, boys and boy and I just said the boys were determined and they were able to deliver in less than 30 minutes.
Because a goalkeeper negligence and a goalkeeper mistake and I
see the negligence of duty it doesn't matter because as far as the match is concerned, mistake remember what I show. And I'm before. But we need to be honest, Kotoko Bobo.
Oh yes,
Kotoko Bobo. What I say is enya Kotoko day. And a lot of things come something. Maka maybe I want to make say match Kotoko be lusu. No more lusu. They need to correct their mistakes. Me no kaza is a coach Kizito Barista was Naniaje. Because any coach no problem any coach and then you have to go back to your brain board and correct your mistakes. Because I mean no kasana did it Dramani. Yeah. Which must all be Minya Nyamin Shrano. Then asidaka send you don't papa no was no. Ono no ma ene abetu ye nyina amene ya get 3 points. Because I mean no kasano did it come into this game it's not easy. It's not easy at all. They need to work extra mile. Because you're training it's so obey no the players need training more than 2 times a day. I'm telling you, yes. Oh yeah. And coming to this game, a lot of things has transpired. And it all boils back to unity. Unity. Yeah, empty, Mr. Julius. Maybe I will be assalamu alaikum. Wabujuma. Me to me, and be as I mean the Ashanti Regional Minister was Dr. Frank Amakwene, Nyamin Shrao.
He's a Greater Accra
Regional Minister. Obayena, Oni Greater Accra supporters ebe din komo. O my ticket. Oni ebe din komo say if we able to deliver na yeba Accra na we have a package for us. Nyame sure mu ina. Moving forward now, I think Kotoko needs to go back to their drawing board and correct their mistakes. Omu ya boys ni ya demo just that ene nyomu dey.
Nya penalty drama
As nenya penalty Kotoko anya penalty.
Last minute so Kotoko sinya bia na I mean contact kakra wo mti ana.
But I mean you see match way nyama bebre esi Daniel Aye ye referee no why there by best no match like this na tension match. Omo red card no I make a comment. We call back to the we can share video no ampa wamani yellow card dada wama plan yellow card dada wamani warning why sir bananka e coming kwa it should have give him a last warning based on the tension of the match no but all things be the same no Accra Safok nyamia yesum no or nyamia ontonko na wada ene ontonko na wada nyamia yesum no say ya kwanto awo dabi ya kwanto a Accra Safok ya kwanto awo dabi ya kwanto a Friday ya ko Mox e ko bompae ya ko bebi ya enti ya nyamia yesum no ontonko na wada enti nyamia na ate ye mpae bo mbese mi nkanche Asante Kotoko say bibia ni mu papa no wo soro no ono no betumi aye bibia but all the same no Kotoko technical team omo ya there Kotoko technical team omo ya there without a coach coming to this game no omo ya there boys ni so ya there by nyen enenyo omude
That's how it's
yeah
that's
Why we? Yeah, but I'm so ono ya meka me time in chain na ka bi kakra na akira yes I know so ono ya meka na you for you personal didn't say what
Ben
okay I know the I enjoy you there what when there
and Ali Mohammed best defender enyemo wan say ne national coach ba o otuado ba park ono say Benjamin Asari me na me tuni kasa mbo Benjamin Asari din nation number 1 and now our performance say ono no best number 1 fantastic goalkeeper champion goalkeeper Benjamin Asari Benjamin Asari
na boss na Kotoko for born with you me at the time on the far from
we na me catch secret we any say me come and dia Benjamin Asari free boss Benjamin Asari free boss o
that was on mama yes sir
so mu see say Benjamin Asari share o me say bebre and so no free boss o say do no dey inside back on the chibo nation number 1 Benjamin Asari
wow
me na mo mai na ye fan pa bonta Benjamin Asari chi na Black Star World Cup na ye kono ye ko fa cup ni bra Benjamin Asari
Benjamin betimi abo am Black Star World Cup
me na nation number 1 and now we approve actually Ghana the whole Ghana and the whole world me na match am for share o me yanko UK wa frame o say Albert ejuma wa boy na wanya result edo na ye pe Benjamin Asari bia obi anyame nhira o and na Ghana ye be ka wo mpaibo mu na World Cup na obekọ no you deliver for the expectation of Ghanaians. More fire.
That's it. That's Greater Accra PRO supporters front. Okay,
Lutrot.
Okay, that's
right. Yeah, what call there?
but
Yeah, on last person no kasa. Did they say what that?
Mishmedin Ben but me wansa me ganem ne krampan as I began no and I said twula twula me gan no fine am krampan twula me nua ba me for sin wife na
wife
but football no
I na wife
oh and time and decision no what fast from na some way on the film but the man many budget say born many aje
okay
many aje pa me kra me ko ba bi me yare but me dey draw so but because of fast match me ba fast match be here we know almost be 20 years and maybe has no Kotoko
of video she's
and you know Satan na fire service for e 10 pa asa tam no boy Ismado Kwajoboku Edupoku Ismado no nkro ne ba no a Satan no boy place ni John Lewis no nkro ne ba Steve Odro oh your place you on ma Satan ba Rainbow no to has birthday o me show me ton mpaboa 15 cedi e wa anshan me de mpaboa me father de mpaboa bi fra bro chair de blame me na na madam bi free baby and ghosters o ni baby and ghosters a madam free baby and ghoster by no se ben ye ko ma me nisika na me de mpaboa me father mpaboa me de mo bi 50 cedi ba sala wa man kwatia wow now am kwatia be di be to advance ticket 11 o'clock na me be to ticket ko fie be do be 1 o'clock no ya bedura na ya nya kwan dey ama na e kwotena Virginia ade ya siken na dey e kwotena wo ye dey erinsa se satam no 1 o'clock no nya de abenya kwan ticket ya dey abahas ane kotoko match ya dey etia bon pa se GFA fo no phone na o ma football ya dey enkoso obia fire service for abe water e sa obusa obi oto obi o di football achi acha fire service for the issue say na me catch them over na over blast my can father oh yeah u control etibini ndi ko ma bi free about mo say father u control oh light voice we obi foi ako has match as ko to match satan don moto isma do no ko ba jokob nate e jata temu no ko ba satan rombo no to see has birthday e be show eti say na ba say no me be he kotoko match me kura me be he kifesa ene me ba jotie kifesa match omo ayi kotokari kifesa MTN mami
yeah mathematics said those times
mami
FA Cup
eti me come ni player bia omo so be de kojo kwampoku na kwampoku no why kwampoku kura otimi ye dey we player
Mati of anya dey work to na friends here
eti abon pa say akwasi na nchechi no to na ben kofi mo dem ni ben kofi mo yan kola o betu ben kofi GFHM o betu ben kofi
the base mister was he touching am ben so and okoya
satam no football has no kotoko ba dia be danya me ase no say ye be ha ball no ya ti bibia se enu ni ade a me yere eji yes why
that's pa udini bio
Uncle Ben and a kewla
ade
bidin kewla
sana you fro
a kewla ana yesu twa kewla me ba I sabe bia fru ke kewla ha
ade oye kwa France ade bloka na how so be say ke bia say yo
me to paboa udi mascarpone ya mascarpone chata continue mascarpone se o bastado ma mascarpone na nya small ya enti
mati ayi right that's
why
that's ya ko yo yeah eja ayi right like I said we have 40 I think time is up we have to go the woman abano game na baby the woman abano asante kotoko yentimi anhye hasifo and sabia am ka say omuko obia ko game na baby has a say 1-0 say the me say am for so mama yanko ye ko me raho o say the me say busu ha am for so da ha o be ma and ka me ka bi ka am for so da say o say ma ne ha dwen kaka omo da anya say bi anipa no oni ska odi kofi o ska wona ho obetimi dia fa ka ko but I say areho na abantino ontimi nko areho na abantino say opata no kra na empata na onhu de onye just any obeta na osa and no hwe obre na this is about 8:54 p.m. Born ya pon born no be is 7 so what I say that's your pon born no 1 hour 54 minutes that's what they ya pon be 8:10 kra na 1 hour 44 minutes ni that's I come back 2 hours but almost so da asi almost as the how went to go. The idea na ebetimi aya dia mboa. But go place yesem o masa mama for team ni agro. O hwe baby a be free me omo free lunch ni kwa na omo asem na ye me ya. Se ye wo kuma ase ade e dey a ye dey awe wo be ko e dey you twaka siketi a ye dey ko. But obi fi nkranza ba. So oba he kotoba e na bi da so ha na omo di awe ho. Ma menya outro no ha ne nkwa dey aye dey. Yes, obi fi nkranza aba so oba he kotokobo. Na nkranza kwantintin So for the team and cry, yes, I'm going to attend over the team. I will be a commander Francho. I will be about 4. I will go home. I will be offensive room. Chrono traffic. And they cry interchange the traffic. Yes, I'm going to. Well, for the team and cry, like I said, I do not have a mampon road. Yes, I'm going to. I thought we paint or so. I was so that I can't say. What is often yes, really? I won't feel young for the almost high car because second to go play about you by jail no young full of you. Don't do almost high car on buy. Now when you're on balance, some baby say, now a hard drink. But I was whether you'll be assessing there, you bear you with the chin. Now mobile share, and I say mobile share, you'll be assessing about life and mamma share. Yeah, young didn't put near Barbara Summer, but then there's a piece in the mobile, Sabia be a bar. When you have what say, number share, be a cost name, Kaya, Messrs. and Fanche. Naga cafe na ye boom ga kanti me yamo ba what this year monana more fast ti me chia na matete me na ka ina boom ni abepe aso oba de nyakopon ni but me dey me ra ho pa see am last 2 games am aba for Kumasi Asante Kotoko na me hu so the last 2 games na okay ka na MZ be fan continue na ka the last 2 games am aba am sport Kumasi Asante Kotoko na me hu so last week haya the Diana Stars if me I am misu ya and then so hwe de asi ti e be sere Kotoko the same players no kwa me dey make come myself mo ke come on a team na mo bo no ye team biasa as for 3 months ni me dem ye Kotoko ni nti I have to say it as it is as for 3 months ni nti o mo ka we ko ye mo mo Kotoko ya na ye 2 months am still aka 1 month aketo enya fa ma but look at how on the ball na hwe ye Kotoko for am the apartment mu etu am ka Kotoko players ni se bia o mo nyiska ketwa $2,000, a bit $1,000-something, be one let's say it's $10,000 now. Somebody just go in and say, do the here when it matters most. So what I don't know, here was it, but selling the Nikkei. Now the video got there, ever sent before. Mama, Yanka will say place. And I'm a crime. Yeah, Asante Kotoko, Ukuma Pim, Apim Beba, yeah, Asante Kotoko, Ukuma Pim. Apembeba yes and yentimi ani konim but me wogidie pa se ukuma pema apembeba no sa sunsun be adwuma ma Kotoko be sa sorry afa ntuma pa efrebusia brain yentimi kinkan message me na because e doso pa anti yentimi kinkan but no message by the safia that say afei Ibrahim NS that say Samuel Asidi that say Jamila Mohammed opa hey say Jamila has ni what I comment to a video that say pa say why has ni Jamila sa mimim da okay someone says so hey so has for comment section open I don't why need show me and they are me here obabufu no because has for comment section open maybe they be Kotoko ni okay yes the has for her pa obisi fufu na say Kotoko vozu wompa obisi fufu na say and skido na skido mkaza Kotoko ni o skido so sile pa skido na onye Kotoko ni. Oh, was it as for Asana? Oh, skido. Asemo. Okay. And your boy Richard is so the adventure by. And I face someone that said in my kind. SB Melon so the nearby. Leonor Ross and so the nearby. House for her. Mama God's love you. So Mama God's love no or Kotoko ni mapa. That's what I say. Also so your mom for me, but swam and I'm saying it's not a there. But Mama will come to. Mama buy you dear horse. Kotoko. Just say Osu. Mama, was it me wrong? Shirt no cry na me tungu baby na. You dey call them komi. Asim ni. Oh, Matema. Now we will comment Eric. I say what is shocking about Almighty House of Ogu defeating Kumasi Asante Kotoko in Kumasi with them. They be say going into the game no na official form na there na Kotoko and sa at the house so. Recent matches current form until now me say I shock no because na obia to do na abusa has for na corrections no much dey say on bet me abeshe so enti abusa for emu ya but obey any day am say sa the woman also na ne oba de amana ba no but enya hwe so de obia kan ball say it be bia e man say na so ni akwa enti de obia se say mo jegre na mo hwe mi so obi trading eso ya na opata do papa ne papa any perfume papa mi so to me ko Kumasi South Central Junction I want to obi trading enterprise so ko na ko jo atade papa na ko jo papa no perfume papa na bibia enko advanced often as supporters ni bi ko edi we say o ko e ma say bem anakasa pen obi free fence here to down kwa me fence here down omo kwan no was main road ti what's that asema make obusia kotoko kotoko ese mo kotoko for mo sorry o kotoko for mo sorry o na yeah all I say kotoko for mo sorry o kotoko for mo sorry o aye munti na house for years mo sorry chaba mo to be say but they ran a nipa bus stadium no come on omo ahwe ya next match kotoko bo azena e bi nipa 15 go munya because kotoko so what I say go phobia say omo ba beta we chigidi na disappoint omo a na omo dwa Adriana Stars they was last go free and omo yes omo mabiem omo ma and omo say coach na afi omo here radio 24 call radio so TV so be pa achewa na akoma to ye match the 50 is best to am for place omo stadium no more tweet ya we nyina ba want me any kuma ma ya just say just driver omo hwe game do want me ko omo hwe game do want me ko Robia metema asante kotoko ti dia mo di di efe kotoko ya ho chawa ya ho kotoko ya asante kotoko okuma pe Bemba, Asante Kotoko. I was here, Ashimebo, and then defeated Ashimebo. Kotoko, why? Kumasi Asante Kotoko, why are you doing this to us? A day, I said last week, I don't understand here from me. Mentimiana. I said, I'm in time for crying, I'm a content of you. It will be a rehearsal some year from that. And you say they pay any other. I say, remember, Madam, now for us, we test me for. Come here, yes, Remo. Matema, monkey, come on. Now, Mama, I will no a yab broso. What I could do because I has snip. Okay, I say I could do an Eric Baker to Koni because I say Kotoko is finished. That's a Kotoko. I'm say I pay Debbie. I pay you come up my pin beba. I say Kotoko is finished. IMC is done. They need to pack up and go before even start. Next, I say they say Kotoko. You say they need board, but another chase one. You see any board? Entire interim management committee. Nana era power. Yeah, Nana Kosia, Nana Pinta Kosia, Kontupunia for him. On a dano. And I could see up here, former Blasters coach, some say Kotoko legend, and then playing for the after. Then I could do just say, I'm say, oh my God, more. Because I'm not because I small workers is here and say, any who young come coach here is Akini. And can born a match to be coach, you say, has in Shenada. On the records, there's a house in Shenada. And the back of the Pony has a coach no or what that records no pa just say, oh, she has on the house here, or deliver very, very well. And so many are already see. Yeah, now I'm not gonna say. Yentimi nti yenya yenshedding because I give me the because I can abusia on kana kosihwe. But Kotoko bobo pa na problem is say omo ntimi fa ball internet. Last week Kwampoku bo ya onyan pa Kwampoku ajije osun ya de. Also call radio talk or radio so kasa say supporters na me ready on me. Okoka busy on me ready on me. And now, but they are going from that. What's up? What is that? Oh, come on, what is that? Has to be a big casa. Has to be a big. Why? Kotoko, Matema. Why? Kotoko, why are you doing this to us? Kumaza Santo Kotoko. Man, this has to be a quiet interview. I can't say Makesi. Oh no, Kotoko. Asante Kotoko, why are you doing this to me, Kotoko? Why? What is my crime, Kotoko? I never dusted you, I'm in coffee. I'm just for Kotoko, and I'm blocking out. Today, as me, be dead, Kotoko, and me. Kotoko, I'm blocking out. Kotoko, oh. Oh, Kotoko, why? Matema, why? I can't stop crying, my brother. Kotoko has given me broken heart. Kotoko, come on, my. Why? I don't understand. Tell me something. Kotoko, out there. Team not there. I said, dude, the beer. I am critical. And you pump people be publisher. Now I'm disappointed. Sebio, yeah. Nana Kraka said, Kotoko, I'm going to be a once. Because maybe I'm sharp, but I know that 2005. Now I'm sharp, I'm a baby, but it's a team once met you. Confederations Cup crew was here. Won't share them on ye. Most of the penalties be moving. And I say, one Egyptian club, says, I don't say Zamalek, and I said 2003, will be refitting call. Also, African Cup, here be unbelievable for me. A Thai last week, a Diana Stars. Doma, Diana Stars. Stars of Bagara, you go 2009. When you team on Mekotoko BM or Maya Santoko BM. FA Cup, when you beat that, what you better say, they all. No, I'll be more from me. Diana Stars not be more from me. Na me kai Kotoko ne Kadiogu na ye Champions League ye the point is 5 mark Kotoko ye ball am say 4 say no we say I don't know just say Kotoko minimum say as a do baby also mo ye bibia na o ma mo bia answer from oh I have to go because I almost have got the light. And our traffic was such. And yes, I check. And almost I if and I just say, did you say got a queenie MVP is I with the say, and then you're crying the ever stuff. Oh, just say what I say. There was a void middle because in the Chabusa, come to Yabana, so come to Yama. Yeah, indeed, but that's the place in the movie. Many so be Sabi, your banner be life as I am share the title. I know be an Santi. We appreciate your I swear Yamina data bando I'm the same at night home. Sabi, you go away buy and suddenly be a normal toxic and so which no share title. I am not effort. The Senior say, your low battery, sir. Yes, if you know low battery, you been young, but your low battery to us at the Pima say. Na yeko nti anya hwe ojide se nyame adom a da achi bi kodo team no ebeyi ama oyefo afere ai sana meka no ewade na mbo na team nye yem oyefo afere because yeko se na eni na and afi Better Grace Financial Services Ghana for America Canada Better Grace Financial Services intermediary financial group for insurance and some for financial assistance na ade ni na no e say Better Grace Financial Services Better Grace Financial Services na betimi akwa na bibia akoso asumje kwan so the amount we so hwe me a for mama dina kusi number no +1 American number 813-408-1084 813-408-1084 813-408-1084 no ye mama ohenere dina kusi na to ase hene kotoko hene brimpon na megere ene mama ona ekofa ba de ma Better Grace Financial Services na OB Trading so maka ho asem e OB Trading so number no we have OB Trading number to be on your call. OB Trading number no 0530-994553 0530-994553. When I got in tally, papa one perfume, papa. And I was stadium. Come on, my dance. You know how to be free. I'm also free in fact. I do as a tech. I just come and I feel perfume. The good. I'm saying how? And I want that time. I'm born again. I'm a dear year. Also, there be feelings of perfume. Now you go on nation because you know OB Trading Enterprise. Mr. Poku watching. Perfume house boutique. Come say South Central Junction. Always one friend from Atonsu. That and also perfume. Atonsu we be friend from our perfume. The Yanko OB Trading. Yanko JD. Na be anya ka. Me dey the company we so. Yamin kan na ho no ntena mi chere bepem. Okay, Lobika Foods. Lobika Foods. Lobika Foods. And advance day Lobika. O want me antena. Some for fefre o mo ani. Baby abefa bia because se sia krom ha pa kuma se we dey Mr. Meka on that room. Say kuma se dey Mr. Meka. Other group Mr. Meka kotoko. I just say o man break me heart. Make say kotoko na mu. Why? Kotoko why? Krom why we se sia dey busia. Se obodi na adwan na ye o detia. Especially send them for Johnny, fried rice, the pizzas, the shawarmas, the burgers, and they send you a nice one. I mean, fried, where deliver near day na. I mean all these fries thing na busia obenyabi. Ewo Lubika fast food. Omo hey stadium opposite Calvary Methodist Church. Omo track this work come. Aduane bia ope bia Lubika foods at the bema. And akọ KNUST so Africa Hall. Yes. Yenyanam Africa Hall maba no. I also Lubika foods hall. Ya okwa obenyabi kama. Na aduane bia ope se odi bia on cycle. Vast day yenra. I'm out for a friend from me. Hold on, my mom. Obi akọ hoso a. No friend come na. O kan yam pa Lubika. Omo ye number 1. Lubika. Omo ye serious. Lubika. Omo ni size. Mr. Lubika foods. Na ekwa GB. People was surprised with dofna. Your beef chicken, your burger. Honum. Afi your beef chicken. Me diaka. Afi your shawarma. So honum. Afi your loaded fries. Kama. And so ho. Your chicken loaded fries. So your beef chicken loaded fries. And so your fried rice. Afi fried rice. Your drumsticks. Your back with the emu. Your samosas and so honum. And it just say. And you need your PBR from one number 0542 904 658 0542 904 658. I know, Lubika Foods. Kumasi Baba Sports opposite Calvary Methodist Church. I'm come here and track. I want track in the world. Now for Africa also, our tech. Kwame Kumasi Apumwa. Also, more tracking back with Siwatch. Said, "Johnny be up, baby. I want to be more camera." Na bibia ahye and so the amount we did the company was nyamin kan na obepem e be share subscribe ma me be share ne woni pa be ma makra bye bye.